Hi viewers, welcome to our channel HMS Tech Tip. Today I will show you how you can clear or remove all your browsing data. If you want to remove your browsing data, you just follow up with me, and I request you to subscribe our channel, and I am begging for you to give a like. Please give a like, it will cost you nothing. Okay, so to clear all your browsing data, you have to go to the settings. Okay, click the three dots and click settings. Then you just click privacy and security. Okay, here you can see clear browsing data. Okay, so if you want to clear your browsing data, you just click here, and here you can see this will clear your browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached image and files. So click clear data. Browsing data is clearing. Okay, the selected data has been removed from Chrome. Okay, nice. But here you have to see one thing, that the time range was last hour, but if you want to clear browsing data of last 24 hours, you click here. If you want last 7 days or last 4 weeks, that means 1 month, or if you want to clear browsing data of all time, you click here and clear data. And you can also go to advanced option. This will remove also download history, or you can also select them if you want. As I don't want, I'll not select it. And time range, you can select any of them, and then click clear data, and all of your browsing data will be removed, or all of your browsing data will be cleared. So if the video helps you, don't forget to leave a comment saying thanks, and please, I request you to subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.